this one's good. It's on.
All right, welcome everybody. Thank you so much for being here tonight. First, I want to thank my leader, Chabad UTC, for hosting us this amazing lecture here that we have. Be'ezrat Hashem, we have the opportunity and the honor to have one of, I know him, he doesn't know me, but he's a hero of Israel. He's been through many, many operations. He's an ex-Special Forces, Mr. Roi Peled, originally from northern Israel, and he actually did some very heroic act throughout the world. He now has an NGO where they go to do the special, what we call tactical management of terror acts around the world. He was one of the first one to be in Mumbai. He will tell us a little bit about that as well. And he was the last one to leave to make sure that everybody was taken to burial properly and the place is cleaned up with the highest honor. We know the story of Mumbai. He will tell you some more. I want to thank Ilana. Thank you from the Shield of David organization. We have, Baruch Hashem, this is a fantastic organization. Ilana will speak some more about it. They do amazing work on colleges across the country. They go out and teach Jewish children, students, how to really combat and handle anti-Semitism around the world. God bless you for all you do. And again, I'm Yoram Dahan from Kol Ahavat Israel. I want to thank you all for being here. And we'll have a session and then a Q&A. There'll be a presentation. And once again, thank you, Rabbi Leader.
Well, okay, I'm gonna fix this for a second. I can do it with no mic. Can I? With a mic?
Better.
With a mic, way better. Okay. Thing is, I'm gonna take a minute for you guys to breathe. I need to fix this because I'm hyperactive and I need to walk a bit.
Yeah, there you go.
So while Roy's fixing that, I'm going to share with you how Shield of David was born in San Diego. Dr. Ali Ben Moshe and Ryan Lecker and me and another couple people were gathered like 2 years ago and like, what we can do to really helping and change the mind of the young generation. Our young generation between 20 to 35 are really not connected to our homeland, to our Israel, Judaism. They're really uncomfortable to say that I'm a Jew. So we came up with a great formula. We call it Shield of David because we are proud Jew and we need to deliver it to our next generation. So we came with a formula that we're offering free Krav Maga, self-defense, and all the college in the United States. And in order to recruit the students, they're going to come to most of the Chabad synagogue all over the States. And we have ambassador in each college. And the program is 6 weeks. And the 20 minutes, the first 20 minutes of the program, it's education to give them tools how to really face the anti-Semitism and college. And Roy's gonna share with us a couple tools. I'm gonna share with Yoram our website. Check the website, we have a lot of information. Unfortunately, since the COVID-19, we had to put everything on hold, but today we have classes in different houses, and today Roi was teaching Krav Maga in different houses today in Carmel Valley. So we offered it for free. It was a free today. So let's welcome Roi, and he can share with us his story, and I'm here to answer any question regarding Shield of David.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, I'll start with thank you, first of all, for having this house here. You will see, I have a long-term relationship with Chabad. I'm a big fan, and I think it's very important, and I know the importance, the direct and immediate importance of a Chabad house, just the presence. It doesn't even have to be people in it, just for an Israeli or for a Jew, no matter where you are. And I've been in about 46 states around the world, and in most of them I saw a Chabad house. So it's kind of a home wherever you are. So I want to, and I'm doing it wherever I go to a Chabad house, and I'm not a religious Jew. I go to the Chabad house and say thank you for what is it you're doing for your community here and for Jews around the world. And more than that, now I'm going to just tell you a little bit, a little story. I call it just another Israeli story, because it is just another Israeli story. I'm not special, I'm not unique. There is thousands and thousands of men and women in Israel with thousands of unique stories. With that, I would ask if this story would not go live online, because I have some details here that are a bit more sensitive, we'll say, and I think the intimacy is nice. I like it. Okay? So